Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm so glad you're here today. In this video, we're going to explore one of the most fascinating and important systems in the human body, the integumentary system, which includes the skin and hair. Understanding the structure, function, and growth of the integumentary system. Did you know your skin is your body's largest organ, covering about 20 square feet? It's your first line of defense, your body's thermostat, and it even plays a role in how you feel and look. Together with hair, these parts do so much more than we often realize. So let's dive in and learn all about them. Today we're diving into the integumentary system, focusing on the skin and hair. Let's explore their structure, function, and the science behind their roles in the human body. The integumentary system protects our internal organs and includes both the skin and hair. The skin alone covers about 20 square feet of surface area. In this lesson, we'll explore its structure and functions, as well as how hair grows and its role in the body. Skin and hair perform many important functions. They protect us from pathogens and environmental damage, help regulate body temperature, and even play a role in sensory perception. Additionally, the skin assists in excreting waste and producing vitamin D. The skin is made up of 3 layers. The outermost is the epidermis, which provides a barrier. The dermis is the middle, living layer containing important structures. Beneath that is the subcutaneous layer, made of fat for insulation and cushioning. The epidermis is made up of 5 layers. These range from the outermost layer of dead cells to the innermost layer where new cells form. The base layer also contains melanocytes, responsible for pigment. Melanocytes produce melanin, which gives skin its color and protects against UV rays. While everyone has roughly the same number of melanocytes, melanin production varies, resulting in different skin tones. The dermis is often referred to as the living layer because it contains blood vessels, nerves, and connective tissues. It supports the epidermis and houses important structures like sweat glands and hair follicles. The dermis is called the living layer because it contains blood vessels, nerves, and connective tissue. It supports the outer epidermis and houses vital structures like sweat glands, sebaceous glands, and hair follicles. These components help regulate temperature, sense touch, and keep the skin healthy and hydrated. Sweat glands help regulate temperature and excrete waste. Eccrine glands are widespread, while apocrine glands are found in specific areas and contribute to body odor. Sweat glands play a key role in helping the body stay cool and get rid of waste. They're part of the skin's excretory system and are active throughout the day, especially when we're hot, stressed, or physically active. There are 2 main types of sweat glands, eccrine and apocrine. Eccrine glands are the most common and are found all over the body, especially on the forehead, palms, and soles of the feet. These glands produce a watery sweat made mostly of water and salt, which evaporates off the skin and cools us down. Apocrine glands, on the other hand, are found in specific areas like the armpits and groin. They become active during puberty and release a thicker, milky sweat that contains proteins and lipids. When this sweat comes into contact with the bacteria on our skin, it creates body odor. Together, these glands help control our internal temperature and remove waste products like urea and excess salts, keeping our body balanced and healthy. Sebaceous glands produce sebum, an oily substance that keeps skin and hair moisturized. These glands are most active during puberty and are found in higher numbers in areas like the scalp and face. The dermis also supports circulation. Blood vessels supply nutrients, while lymphatic vessels help remove waste and support immune function. Hair grows from follicles located in the dermis. The hair shaft has 3 layers: the protective cuticle, the cortex that contains pigment, and the medulla, which is more prominent in curly hair. There are 3 types of hair: lanugo, which is temporary and found on fetuses; vellus, the soft, fine hair covering most of the body; and terminal hair, which is thicker and more pigmented. Hair grows in a cycle consisting of 3 phases. Anagen is the long growth phase. Catagen is brief and transitional. Telogen is the resting phase, after which the hair falls out and new growth begins. Hair growth is influenced by many factors, including hormones, genetics, and health. Stress and seasonal changes can also affect the speed and quality of hair growth. In summary, the skin plays a crucial role in protection, regulation, sensation, and vitamin synthesis. It's our first line of defense and a vital part of homeostasis. A much simpler, and thank you for joining us. We appreciate your time and interest in learning about the structure and function of skin and hair. We hope this presentation has deepened your understanding of the integumentary system and its vital role in protecting and maintaining the body. Remember, your skin and hair are more than just external features. They are essential to your overall health and well-being. This presentation was proudly brought to you by the Art of Skin Institute, where science meets beauty and wellness. Stay curious, stay informed, and take care of your skin. For more information or consultations, visit us at your website or contact information. Any questions? We're happy to help. Being seen you can use too.